Hi, PacPrez here again, and this time I want to talk about the UCS 10A, otherwise known as our job box lock. Again, here's another product that looks like the typical padlock, but it really isn't. It's the padlock that locksmiths and large institutions have been asking for a long time. What's been happening on a job box is you've been having to use an inferior product to secure and to protect your very expensive, and not just expensive, but your way of life when it comes to all the tools that are inside your job box. All right, so what we've done is we've developed a custom padlock for the job box. There's two things that we did. First, we made the body so it almost form fits into the housing where you install the padlock. And the reason this is important is because there's less pry points for an intruder to get in and try and steal your stuff. The second thing is we made the shackle so that it would fit perfectly inside the job box. That's the real trick to making a padlock for a job box. That's the reason why you can't use the variety of padlocks that are out there inside these job boxes. It's really that shackle and the spread in the shackle, the height on the shackle. If the shackle's too high, you can't lock it. If the shackle's too short, you can't close your job box. PACLOCK spent the time to engineer a specific product for the job box, and we're the first company to do that. And because of that, if you buy our UCS 10A, you're gonna get products that fit into your job box and you're gonna be happy with them. Only from PACLOCK.